Today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in your 2005 to 2009 Mini Cooper key fob. This key fob uses one CR2025 battery, and if you need one, we'll provide a link in the description below where you can pick one up. So to replace this battery, you will need a small flathead screwdriver and the key fob itself. And the first thing we're going to do is open the key fob. And I usually like to try to open up on the side with the manual key. And if you can stick the flathead screwdriver just along the crease and twist it, eventually it will pop open. You can slowly pull off this top cover to reveal the circuit board with the buttons. And on the opposite side of that circuit board, we have our 2025 battery. Now you will see there is an open side to this holder that is holding the battery down. And then you will see little clips on the other sides. So we want to push the battery toward the open side. So we'll carefully take our flathead screwdriver and press against the battery, slowly pushing it out just far enough to the point where we can grab it with our fingers. Then we can remove the old battery, replace our new battery, and we'll just slide it in. And then we will replace this circuit board, which can be a little tricky to line up. But there are alignment guides on the sides here that line up with these two notches on the circuit board. So we're going to line these two up just like this, and then we will align the top and the bottom of the key fob together, and then we'll squeeze it till it snaps together, and you're finished. And so hopefully this video helped you in switching out your battery. If it did, leave us a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.